How to fix your laptop keeps scrolling down. So if you're trying to use your computer but it's automatically scrolling down the page, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do, if you can, go and open up your start menu and then just click on settings. In the left hand side, select Bluetooth and devices and then scroll down and click on mouse. Now scroll down to where it says scroll inactive windows when hovering over them and make sure this option is turned off and disabled. Now this should stop the automatic scrolling. If it's still not working, you can try changing the lines to scroll at a time as well. You can either increase or decrease this number. And finally, where it says roll the mouse wheel to scroll, you can click on the drop down arrow and you can set this to one screen at a time. Now if it's still not working, we're going to close out of this window and there could be an issue with one of the keys on your keyboard accidentally being pressed down. So just head over to your keyboard and look for a button that says page down. Now make sure this button isn't stuck so you can try cleaning around the edges and make sure it's free from any dust or debris. You can also try disconnecting any external mouses or devices connected to your laptop, and once you've done that, that should fix the issue where the mouse is automatically scrolling.